forgiveness. Oh, I won't let it go. Help my eyes see grace poured out from heaven's throne, and mercy. Oh, I can't let it be. Keep my heart wide open as you cover me. Thank you, Jesus. You speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus. You bring me back to your heartbeat, and I can feel you around me. And heaven is not far from here at all. Your presence, how I found my home. Hearing your heartbeat again, all shame is gone. Your guidance is showing me to see. Reside my heart in openness. You've covered me. And thank you, Jesus. You speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus. You bring me back to your heartbeat, and I can feel you around me. And heaven is not far from here at all. At all. In every season, you have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone. In every season, you have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone. Oh, how I feel you around me. How I feel you around me. Oh, how I feel you around me. Oh, how I feel you around me. Forgiven, I am not alone. How you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone.
Wasn't supposed to go this way. When I met you yesterday, I didn't need you next to me. Am I the kind that you expected me to be? It's getting a little warm. Crack the window, please. I'll pump the gas if you run inside. Grab a couple tall boys and a honey pie. Yesterday is far away, and tomorrow you'll be gone. It wasn't supposed to go this way. Sweet, 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 sweet Thursday. People, and maybe more, out on the highway in a dusty storm. Two lonesome losers in a stolen dream, headed straight for nowhere in a suicide machine. If you see the lights flashing, push the pedal down. Over the border, they can't get us there. Between the two of us, we'll make it if we share. And yesterday is far away, and tomorrow you'll be gone.